So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down, click type HP Spectre x360, then 13. Slow down, select the operating system, addition, submit, then click extract network. So this is the Wi-Fi. Click to download. Now this is ready to downloading. After it's completed, just single click to setup, then yes, then next, I accept, next. Now this is the installing by the cmd command, by cmd command. So after it's completed, so restart your system. Okay, thank you.